What's up, everybody? It's your boy Sat. Welcome back to Stocks by Sat 06. No face, just facts in 5. Today we're talking about BigBear AI, ticker symbol BBAI, and this stock might quietly be setting up for a comeback that a lot of investors are completely overlooking right now. The stock is currently trading around $4.15 and is down nearly 26% year to date. Now, for most investors, that kind of drop scares them away. But for experienced traders, pullbacks like this sometimes create opportunity, especially in sectors that still have strong long-term momentum like artificial intelligence. Before we get into this one, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because we're constantly looking for sleeper stocks before they make major moves. Now let's talk about BigBear AI. This company focuses on artificial intelligence, machine learning, predictive analytics, cybersecurity, and defense intelligence systems. Their technology helps organizations process huge amounts of data and make faster decisions using AI-driven systems. They work heavily with government contracts and defense-related operations, which immediately makes this company more interesting than your average speculative AI stock. And let's be honest, AI is still one of the biggest investment themes in the entire market. Every major company is trying to integrate AI. Governments are increasing AI spending. Defense systems are becoming more data-driven. Cybersecurity threats continue growing. That means companies operating in AI intelligence and analytics still have major long-term potential if execution improves. Now, obviously, BBAI has struggled recently. The chart clearly shows heavy selling pressure over the past year. But what catches my attention is that the stock appears to be stabilizing instead of continuing to collapse. That matters because before many stocks recover, they usually spend time building a base after aggressive selling. Weak hands exit, volume cools down. Then eventually, momentum begins returning if buyers step back in. And I think that's why traders should still keep BigBear.ai on their radar. This isn't about what the stock did 6 months ago. This is about what could happen next if AI momentum heats back up again. One thing investors need to understand is that low-priced AI stocks can move extremely fast once sentiment changes. We've seen it happen repeatedly across the market. The second traders believe momentum is returning, volume can flood into these names almost overnight. And psychologically, retail investors love cheaper AI stocks because they feel like high upside opportunities. A $4 AI stock naturally attracts speculative attention much faster than larger, expensive companies already trading at premium valuations. Now, I'm not saying BigBear.ai is risk-free. Far from it. This is still a volatile, speculative stock. Profitability remains a concern, and small-cap AI names can swing aggressively in both directions. But sometimes, those are exactly the setups that produce explosive returns if momentum shifts. From a technical perspective, I'm watching whether BBAI can continue holding support while building higher lows. If buyers continue stepping in and the stock breaks through nearby resistance with strong volume, momentum traders could start paying attention very quickly. Another thing I'm watching is overall AI sector momentum. Whenever AI stocks begin running together again, sympathy plays usually follow. That means smaller, overlooked names like BigBear.ai could benefit from renewed hype across the entire sector. And remember, markets move on narratives. If BigBear.ai announces stronger contracts, improved guidance, new partnerships, or positive AI growth developments, this stock could easily become one of those names retail traders suddenly start chasing again. That's why I call this a sleeper. Nobody is really talking about it right now. The chart is trying to stabilize. The sector remains hot long term, and the upside potential still exists if momentum returns. Now, personally, I wouldn't treat this like a safe long-term investment yet, but as a speculative AI recovery play, I definitely think this stock deserves attention. This is the type of setup smart investors monitor early instead of waiting for headlines after the move already happens. So keep BBAI on your watch list. Watch the volume, watch the AI sector, watch sentiment, and most importantly, watch for confirmation if momentum starts building again. Because in this market, beating down AI stocks can wake up fast. All right, family, that's all for today. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below letting me know whether you think BigBear.ai is actually a big bull or just another risky AI stock. This is Stocks by Sat '06. No face, just facts in 5. And I'll catch you in the next one.